guys, you're welcome to this our natural medicine program. Today we are looking at the medicinal values of Soursop leaf, Soursop trunk, and Soursop as medicine. To be honest with you, Soursop is well known as good medicine all over the world. But here in Africa, we have our tropical sun, our sunshine that makes it possible for every herb to be very strong. In fact, this is organic Soursop. Soursop is very good for cases of breast lump or prostate trouble, early detection. It can help to dissolve it back to normal. It's also good for people who are having arthritis and rheumatism, waist pain, arthritis and rheumatism or gout. Soursop is very good for cases of blood pressure. It also builds your immune system. In cases of prostate trouble, Soursop is a house-known herb for cases of prostate trouble. Just 6 pieces of the leaves you put into hot water, and then you make it as tea. You drink today, you soak another one, you drink another one. In fact, I have to cut off everything I have here that is Soursop and start renewing a new tree because of the beauty of what I have used the plant to use on human health. So they decided to have all of them. I said, okay, take all of them. They cut them off, then wash properly, sterilize, put them into powder, and took them out of Nigeria. I said they should go with it, so that it can help them, so that's why it makes them happy. But today we are looking at the medicinal values of Soursop. But the main Soursop, the full Soursop that I used to have, is not available now. Anyway, Soursop is good for arthritis, rheumatism, gout. It's also good in building very strong bone, and it also will make you age less. Dr Ifeyinwa Ezeike reporting. You can make a tea from Soursop leaf. You can look for it in powdered form, though it's scarce because not everybody will allow you to destroy his or her Soursop. But as a matter of fact, Soursop is very good for me and you. Have a beautiful day. Dr. Ifeyinwa Ezeike reporting.